Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you one of the best free traffic source that I use personally. I'm going to show you full information about that traffic source, so stay tuned. Okay guys, I'm just going to jump the free traffic source that's called is Parler. This is the best Twitter alternative also. How much people per month visit this website, visit this social media? I'm going to show you right now the similar web data. This is very important. Okay guys, and you can see visitors are stable and monthly visit this social media 1.30 million, and average visit duration is 3 minutes 34 seconds. That's why this is a good social media to generate leads, to generate sales and gain followers. Okay, and you can see guys, the most of the visitors comes from United States, United Kingdom, Australia and Canada. This is the 4th top tier country. Okay guys, so I'm just logging right now. This social media is parler.com. You can create account, very easy to create account in this platform Parler. I'm just logging. I have my account. Okay, and I'm just logging here, and I have already logged in right now, and this is me guys, and you can see I have 1.46k followers, and this is huge for me. And this is my profile section. You can edit your profile and you can see my website link, and this is also my affiliate link. You can see here guys, this is the training section on how to make $300 to $700 plus pertain profits by using my proven and untapped method. You can also customize this way your profile. Okay, and you can share your videos, share your links, and share your thoughts actually here on this platform that's called is parler.com. You can see guys, following you, lots of people following me. You can see here 1.46, that means 1.5k. 1,500 people following me. Okay, and how to generate more followers, I'm going to show you the secret tips right now guys. Just go Twitter and find out your niche. What is your niche? You have a health wealth niche. You can search here the hashtags health wealth. Okay guys, and you have a digital marketing niche. You can search digital marketing and copy this type of code. Okay, I just copy it. Okay, this person's status, and I just like it, and I'm just back here on parler.com and I just copy it. Okay, and you can also share hashtag here to get more views. Okay, you know hashtag is very powerful. I'm not sharing hashtag right now. I'm just parley. You just click here and you can share 1000 words. Okay, no 250 words like Twitter, and you can share 1000 words. This is huge. And also you can share your video link like this. I'm just parley. Just click here parley. Okay guys, and you can see my status is here, and also you can share this. You can copy this URL, share anywhere you want. And here is the upvote section. I just upvote on my status, and you can echo, that means retweet, and you can comment here. Okay, that's it guys. This is very easy to use this social media, and you know very easy to create account on this platform parler.com, and you can generate your YouTube videos, your website URL here. At first you generate followers, then you post every single day this type of quote, and this type of materials. Okay guys, I think guys this video will help you, and I'm going to share with you this type of free traffic source. So guys, please subscribe to my channel. Stay safe. Thank you. See you soon my next video. Also you can share my video with your friends and family who actually struggling to generate free traffic. Okay guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.